Guys, in this video, I'll be telling you how you yourself can find the best college and university for yourself without taking anybody's help. So before we start the video, let me give you a little background. So whenever we go to any consultant or agent, we just go there blindly without doing any homework of our own. We just go there and ask that professional that what university and what course should I take. And there is a problem with this situation. The consultant or whatever the person is have a conflict of interest. They are going to suggest you something which they are very comfortable with, or they have maximum benefit from. So there is a conflict of interest. कॉलेजेस की वेबसाइट बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है, कोर्सेज ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाता है, उनकी फ़ीस ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाता है, उनकी एलिजिबिलिटी रिक्वायरमेंट कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट्स की अच्छी होती है, कुछ की बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती है. मैंने बहुत धक्के खाए हैं. To avoid this situation, I'll show you one simple tool which I discovered accidentally when I was going through my processing and choosing the best course and college for myself. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's move to my computer screen. So guys, the name of the website is Apply Board. दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन वेबसाइट. मैंने इसका बहुत बार नाम सुना था, लेकिन कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इसमें ये फीचर भी है, ये ऑप्शन भी है. सो आई एक्सीडेंटली डिस्कवर्ड दिस थिंग. तो यू हैव टू गो टू सर्विस एंड स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो यू विल फाइंड दिस बटन एक्सप्लोर प्रोग्राम. So guys, you have to put some basic details. I'll put my for an example, and you can do according to your profile. Okay, nationality India, province Uttarakhand, country of education India, highest education I've done 3-year bachelor's degree, and this is for +2 students. You can choose this or whatever you have done. For BTech it would be 4-year bachelor's degree. For mine it is 3-year bachelor degree because mine was BBA. Grading scheme, I'll just for simplicity I'll say it's in percentage. My average grade was 90. And do you have valid study permit? No, I don't. Okay, so the next is only show direct admission. I'll just take this off because I want more options. Okay, and I'm using this platform just to figure out best course for myself. Okay, I'm not applying through Apply Board. I'm just using this tool for my own benefit right now. So exam, I have done IELTS. You'll put your score. Yes. No, I have not done GRE or GMAT. Next. So after all these steps, you can just click on this button, show all eligible programs. So right now we haven't put the country we wanna go to, so it will load a lot of programs. So in order to narrow down our search, we'll apply some of the filters. Like from all countries, it has taken more than 70,000 results. So we'll come here on the left side. We will select the country. I want to go to Canada. Okay, I'll select postgraduate work permit available. I'll select province. I'll not select province as of now. Okay, I'll select university and college. I will not select the school because I want more options right now. So I can select program level because I have done bachelor's and I'm not gonna do bachelor's again. So I can put that right now. I will do master's or postgraduate certificate. So this is the last option I will be selecting. Intakes, I'm flexible. Yeah, this is important. You should put your post-secondary discipline. So what is the field you wanna go in? So I'll put whatever your field is. Since I have done BBA, I'll be taking the similar field, that is business management and economics, and I'll apply. So guys, this is where the magic happens. As you can see, I got 385 programs from around 90 different schools or colleges. Okay, so you can come here and you can see University of Manitoba, it is offering MBA, and tuition fees is this, application fees is this. Another is York University. These are the programs. You can select whatever you like. Okay, we'll go into one of them and see it as an example. I'm just showing you how it shows what is the interface. Okay, these are different university: Trent University, Thomson University. So we'll select any random one and we'll see. Okay, let's select any university, MBA. Okay, so if suppose I'm interested in MBA from University of Manitoba, I selected MBA here and it took me to this tab. So guys, you do not have to do anything now. You just have to see, you will get all the details here, like location of the university, the name of the program, level of the program, that is master's degree, the length of the program, application fees. A lot of agent I have seen, they misguide you based on the application fees. Sometimes they tell this is the application fees, sometimes they don't tell you the application fees. So you can figure out the application fees by yourself here. You can see the estimated tuition fees, living cost. This varies, so I don't consider this. You can also see the intakes they're available right now in this university. These are the intakes. You can get into more details if you click eligibility and if you log into this portal. The login is free. You can sign up for free and you can select whatever the program you like. So guys, the point of using this tool is not to apply through them and nothing like that. I want you to just see what are your options, make a list of the universities you can choose and the programs you want. Take that list when you go to your consultant and ask him, I am interested in these programs, what is the likelihood of getting admission in that. I want you to have some basic idea before going to the agent and not going there blindly. So this is the mistake a lot of people do. So this was the part for choosing the best course. Now I'll tell you something which I did not plan to say in this video, but I think this is very cool. Back to the computer. So recently I figured out a feature or a service from OA Student. Those of you who do not know OA Student, it is a community on Instagram which is very reliable. Okay, so they offer a profile evaluation report. So what that is since I have applied for my profile and my almost all the work is done, so I'll not be taking this. But if I were in your place, this is a really good tool. So what they do is you put your whole profile in the form and they'll give you a detailed evaluation of your whole profile. Like they'll give you the how strong your profile is in percentage terms. They'll give you a description. They'll give you the colleges and universities you can apply to and with details. You can see on my screen. So I just found this really cool and it's just 250 rupees. It doesn't cost much. So I think this is pretty good. You can you can just try this out also, and it could be another confluence. So with that, guys, that was it. This is something I wanted to put out because a lot of people don't know this thing and this is really easy to use. With that, I'll be taking off. See you in the next one.